Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. So this video is kind of a monthly favorite video. So these are all the things that I have used in the month of May, or maybe a little before that, and I have found them really useful, and I honestly loved using them. So I thought I should share with you guys. So we'll start with skincare and makeup first. So this is Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. Something that looks like this. Now this is something I absolutely loved using. This is something I use almost every single day on my face. It's gel based moisturizer, and even if you have oily skin, you can still use this one. I personally have normal to dry skin, but even if you have oily skin, you can definitely use this. This is very light on skin, and it's very light. Yeah, I really like this one. Second thing is this Maybelline's concealer. It's called Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. Yeah, something that looks like this. Now I am the kind of person who doesn't understand shit about makeup. I'm just learning how. So this is I think very beginner friendly. Like, I found this really useful and very easy to use. For somebody like me who doesn't understand shit about makeup, this is like really worth it. And it's very easy to use also. I don't know if the camera is catching this. I actually have two of these. I have one in a shade lighter than my skin tone, and one in the shade exactly of my skin tone. You can see this is almost empty. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this, especially if you're a beginner in makeup. I am nobody to recommend makeup products. I have no knowledge about it. But if you're a beginner like me who is trying to explore new things and learn, this one is really good. So I would definitely recommend this. Third thing again is a lipstick from Lakme. It's Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. It's in the shade 08 Nude Dream. Wow, I don't know why I did that. So anyway, this color really suits my skin tone. I don't know if it looks good on the camera, but in person this looks really good. Actually, my cousin Uttara recommended me this. She had one and she kind of told me to buy this, and I bought this, and oh my god, this is the only color I've been wearing for, I think in all of my videos I have wore this color, because I think it's the only color I have here in Akola. But still, I would definitely recommend this. This was I think only for 299 rupees, which I think is a very good deal for a good lipstick. I'll quickly show you the swatch. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. Like, a really good color. Absolutely loved it. Uttarata, if you're watching this, thank you for this, girl. Okay, I don't know how to. Okay. Now next thing is this Dove Go Fresh Nourishing Body Wash Fresh Touch. Oh my god, what a long word. Yeah. I'll be very honest, I have only used this for 2 weeks. I think even less than that. But boy, I am loving this. I am absolutely loving this. If you're somebody like me who loves to enjoy a good shower, this is for you. I'm not even kidding. This smells so freaking fresh. It's crazy. I love this product. I can't talk enough about it. It's, I think, in the flavor cucumber and green tea scent, and boy, I think I have no words to talk about this. This is how much I absolutely love this product. And as soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna buy other flavors as well to check them out. But I absolutely loved this one. And if you're like me who loves a little milder scents than the very strong ones, this one is for you. Oh my god, you can totally see I am in love with this product. So yeah, definitely I would recommend this. Then in stationery, I have these two pens. I am a big stationery lover. I absolutely love stationeries. If I go to a store, my mom has to practically drag me out of it if it's a stationery store, because I literally go crazy in stationery stores. So this is the pen that I found, and I have no idea कि इसका क्या, it's Hoscher Germany combo. I don't understand ki what what's the name, but it's something that looks like this, if you can see, and it has got a it has got a pen like thing on one end, and on the other side it has got a highlighter ka nib. And oh my god boy, I love this. I have this in 4 or 5 different colors, and I'll try to find the name or ye exactly kya hai and try to put that in the description box below if I could find. But see, look for something that looks like this. Boy, it's too cute, too cute to not have. Now this next thing, I don't believe that I'm saying this, but the next thing on my list is this. Yeah, I did not see this coming either, because as a child, as a kid, I hated this. I was always a Rasna girl straight away, but I just started using this in the lockdown actually. I know it's not very healthy, it has got sugar and all of that, but I think I really love this one. Yeah, I think there is also mango ka flavor in Tang, but I just had to mention this because this has kind of been a savior to me. So yeah, I don't believe I'm saying this. I feel like I'm betraying Rasna somewhere, but still. Okay, now about the series that I have been watching. I recently watched The Bold Type on Netflix, and oh my god, you have to watch Bold Type on Netflix if you have Netflix subscription, and even if you don't, I know you have an arrangement for Netflix like everybody. Please go and watch The Bold Type, especially if you're a girl, you gotta go and watch that show. It's too good, it's too good. It actually, I think, one of my most favorite shows that I have abhi tak seen. It covers, I think, all the aspects and topics and stuff that girls go through every single day of their lives, and it's made beautifully. The actors are wonderful, the writers have done an excellent job about that show. I absolutely love that show. I love every single character who is part of that show. वरना कभी कभी मेरा ऐसा होता है कि I start hating some character. Yeah, that's just me. I'm like, oh god, I don't like this character, और हाँ तर असाच आहे, ही तर आगाऊ आहे वगैरे. But about that one show, oh my god, I absolutely love every character and shade of every, like, shades that a character has to offer. And oh boy, I'm in love with that show. I'm actually waiting for uska 5th season to come on Netflix. It's like, it's on some other apps, but I am too broke and I don't want to like pay a single penny to actually watch that show. I know I love that show, but I'm too broke for it, so I'm actually waiting for Netflix to bring the season 5. But if you are on Netflix और अभी तक आपने देखा नहीं है, so watch the 4 seasons that are available on Netflix. It's too good. I love that show. So yeah, these were my monthly favorite, and I had so much fun using these products or watching these series. So I thought I should share with you guys too. So if you found this video useful and helpful, or you used any of this product before or after watching this video, let me know your experiences in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.